Tonight, some people are frustrated by the decision to close smaller local vaccination sites, replacing them with state-run sites. Good evening, I'm Shannon Heggie.
I'm Mike Montecalvo. The lone Bristol County mass vaccination site opened up in Dartmouth today, and while it may be in close proximity to people who live in the area, some feel it isn't any more convenient or safe.
12 News reporter Rob Nesbitt spoke with some people who would still prefer to vaccinate locally. Rob?
Shannon, Dan Fournier told me that he would prefer to get his shots done at a smaller vaccine clinic compared to a mass vaccination site like the one behind me. His three big reasons are transportation, technology, and familiar faces. As chairman of the board for the Dartmouth Council on Aging, Dan Fournier has helped his fair share of seniors schedule a COVID vaccine.
The other issue is the technology to get that appointment, which is not easy.
The 73-year-old is eligible to get vaccinated in Massachusetts, but says others need it more than him right now. When the time does come to get the shot, he says he'd prefer a community-run clinic. He was disappointed to find out that vaccines will no longer be offered at Dartmouth High School on Saturdays.
Having it done at the high school with local people, so to speak, allays some of the fears that people might have about going to a state-run facility.
Dartmouth Public Health Director Christopher Mishu was just as disappointed as Fournier to see the community site close.
It was disheartening. We've done it well. We did everything that the state asked us.
Mishu says the number of people who received their first shots is also worth noting.
2,000 people in 2 days at this location.
The new mass vaccination site in Dartmouth will provide some convenience to locals. But on Wednesday, Governor Baker recognized that that's not the case for everyone.
About 95% of our population lives within a 45-minute drive of a mass vac site or within 30 minutes of a regional site.
He says his administration is working with municipalities to develop more regional vaccine options, a move that 50 Massachusetts lawmakers pushed for in this letter to the Executive Office of Health and Human Services, trying to make getting a COVID vaccine as easy as possible for as many people as possible.
The mass vac sites can't do it all. Neither can municipalities, nor can the pharmacies.
Mishu says that he's been bombarded with phone calls from people concerned that they won't be able to get their second shot at Dartmouth High School. No need to worry, though. He says that the Department of Health has guaranteed second doses to those who already have their appointments scheduled at that site. Reporting live in Dartmouth, I'm Rob Nesbitt, 12 News.